Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the internet? The internet we use daily is just a small fraction of what's out there. Imagine an iceberg floating in the ocean. The visible part above the water is what we interact with every day. Websites like Google, YouTube, and Facebook. But below the surface lies a vast hidden realm that most people never see. Beyond the websites we visit daily, there exists a hidden realm, the dark web. But is it dangerous? The dark web is often shrouded in mystery and fear, but it's not inherently evil. It's simply a part of the internet that requires special tools to access. However, it does have its risks, and that's why it's crucial to know how to navigate it safely. How do you access it safely? Safety is paramount when venturing into the dark web. Without the right precautions, you could expose yourself to various threats from malware to identity theft. But don't worry, with the right tools and knowledge, you can explore this hidden part of the internet securely. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to enter the dark web securely and anonymously. Let's get started. We'll cover everything from the basics of what the dark web is, to the tools you'll need, and the best practices for staying safe. The internet is like an iceberg. The part we see and use daily is just the tip. This includes all the websites and services we're familiar with, like social media, news sites, and online shopping platforms. What we use daily, Google, YouTube, Facebook, is just the tip. These are the sites that are indexed by search engines and easily accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Beneath it lies the deep web, which includes private databases and password-protected sites. This part of the internet is not indexed by search engines and includes things like academic databases, private company networks, and subscription-only services. But below that, we have the dark web, a part of the internet accessible only through special software like Tor. The dark web is a small portion of the deep web that has been intentionally hidden and is inaccessible through standard web browsers. Before diving in, it's crucial to ensure your safety. The dark web can be a risky place if you're not prepared. You need to take specific steps to protect your identity and data. The dark web is anonymous but not risk-free. Here's what you need. To navigate it safely, you'll need a few essential tools and to follow some best practices. A VPN, virtual private network. This encrypts your connection and hides your location. A VPN is your first line of defense, ensuring that your internet traffic is secure and your IP address is masked. Recommended VPNs include Proton VPN or NordVPN. These services are known for their strong security features and user-friendly interfaces. The Tor browser, a special browser that lets you access .onion sites. Tor stands for the Onion Router, and it's designed to keep your browsing anonymous by routing your traffic through multiple servers. A secure operating system, optional. Using Tails, OS or Wonix increases your anonymity. These operating systems are designed to leave no trace of your activities and provide additional layers of security. Now let's set up everything. First, we'll get your VPN up and running, then we'll move on to installing and configuring the Tor browser. Enable your VPN, open your VPN and connect to a secure location, preferably outside your country. This adds an extra layer of security by masking your true location. Download and install Tor. Head over to the official Tor website, torproject.org, and download the Tor browser. Make sure you're downloading from the official site to avoid any malicious versions. Launch Tor. Once installed, open Tor, and it will connect you to its secure network automatically. You'll notice that the interface is similar to other browsers, but it's designed to keep you anonymous. Now that you're inside, remember to stay cautious. The dark web is not regulated, and you can easily stumble upon dangerous or illegal content. The dark web is full of information, but not everything is safe. Always be vigilant, and use your best judgment when navigating. Here are some useful websites you can explore. The Hidden Wiki is a good starting point. It's a directory of onion sites that can help you find what you're looking for. Hidden Wiki, a directory of onion sites. It's like a map for the dark web, guiding you to various services and sites. Proton Mail, an anonymous email service. If you need to communicate securely, Proton Mail is a great option. Amia.fi, a search engine for Tor-friendly sites. This search engine helps you find onion sites without exposing your identity. Before you explore further, safety is key. Follow these rules. Never share personal information. This is crucial to maintaining your anonymity and protecting yourself from potential threats. Avoid illegal marketplaces and services. Don't download unknown files. These can be traps set by malicious actors to steal your information or infect your device with malware. Beware of scams and phishing sites. The dark web is rife with scams, so always double-check the legitimacy of any site you visit. Close all other applications while using Tor. This minimizes the risk of leaks and ensures that your activities remain private. When you're done, exit Tor properly to avoid leaving any traces. This means closing all tabs and shutting down the browser completely. Close all tabs in the Tor browser. Make sure nothing is left open that could compromise your security. Shut down the browser completely. Disconnect your VPN. This ensures that your session is fully terminated and no data is left behind. That's it. You've successfully accessed and exited the dark web safely. Remember, the key to safe browsing is caution and preparation. The dark web is fascinating, but it's not for everyone. It offers a unique glimpse into a hidden part of the internet, but it comes with its own set of risks. Use it responsibly, stay safe, and protect your privacy at all times. Always be aware of the potential dangers and take steps to mitigate them. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and safe online. Stay secure, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to always prioritize your online safety.